So if you're seeing this error on your screen, Camera Raw requires graphics processor acceleration to edit photos. Don't panic. Let me show you how to fix it step by step. All right, let's fix this now. First, open Google Chrome and search this. You can find the direct link to this plugin in the video description below. When the download is complete, go ahead and install it by following the setup instructions. Now that it's installed, just restart your computer to apply the changes properly. After restarting, open Photoshop again and go to the Camera Raw filter. And as you can see, the error is now gone and everything is working perfectly. That's it. If this helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.